What if one flashlight smaller than your thumb could replace half the gear in your kit? We are talking 400 lumens, RGB colors, and rotating head, magnetic base, and 65 hours of battery life, all in something that weighs less than 2 ounces. That's the Wuben G5, and today we are breaking down every single feature. The Wuben G5 is a dual light source EDC flashlight built for people who want maximum functionality in minimum space. EDC stands for everyday carry, and this thing earns that little. It measures just 1.47 by 0.59 by 2.44 inches, tips the scale at 52.3 grams, and ships in a clean made black aluminum body. It does not look like a flashlight. It looks like a piece of precision gear. Let's start with the main light. The G5 uses an LED dual bead system for its wide output with three manually selectable modes: low, medium, and high, maxing out of 400 lumens with a throw up to 82 meters. Switching between modes is handled by a physical pulley switch on the side. Slide it and it clicks between gears, clean, tactile, and usable with gloves on. But here's where it gets interesting. The G5 also has stepless timing. In white light mode, rotate the knob clockwise and the brightness ramps up smoothly from dim to full blast. No fixed steps, just complete control or exactly how much light you need. And if you need instant maximum output, double click the knob and it jumps to ultra bright mode. Double click again to drop back to where you were. Now for the feature that makes the G5 generally stand out: the RGB auxiliary light, 7 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, cyan, blue, and purple. Cycle through them with the same pulley switch used for the main light. This is not just a gimmick. Different colors have real-world applications. Red preserves night vision, critical for astronomy hunting or night mode navigation. Green is ideal for reading maps without blinding everyone around you. Blue can help with visibility in certain outdoor conditions. And there are two special modes built into the RGB system: beacon mode, while in RGB, double-click the button and the current color starts flashing in a beacon pattern, perfect for emergency signaling. Warning flash mode. From a fully off state, double-click the button and the light enters an RGB warning strobe. No need to cycle through modes. It activates instantly. One of the most practical design choices on the G5 is the 180-degree rotatable lamp head. The head and clip both pivot, which means the light can be pointed in almost any direction while the body stays clipped in the place. Clip it to a baseball cap and angle it down. Instant hands-free headlamp. Clip it to the tent lobe and angle it toward your book. Clip it to a shirt pocket at a job site and aim it exactly where you are working. For cave exploration, machine maintenance, outdoor camping, or even just reading in bed, the rotating head turns a pocket flashlight into a genuinely versatile tool. The G5 charges via USB-C. No proprietary cable, no fumbling with micro USB. Sliding the main switch upward reveals the port and initiates charging. Full charge takes just 1.5 hours. Battery life varies by brightness. At maximum output, runtime is shorter, expected for 400 lumens in something this size. At the lowest setting, the G5 runs for up to 65 hours, nearly 3 full days of continuous low-level illumination. That kind of runtime on a kitchen light is generally impressive. For emergency preparedness, power outages, go bags, camping, that's the kind of endurance that matters. The G5 carries an IP65 waterproof rating. That means it's fully protected against dust and can handle sustained water jets from any direction. Rain, splashing, outdoor expert, not a problem. There's also built-in lock mode. Push the button into the lock position and no controller response. No accidental activation in a bag or pocket. No battery drain from a burn bump. Simple and practical. The magnetic base is one of those features that sounds minor until you actually use it. Stick the G5 to any metal surface: a car hood during roadside repairs, a metal shelving unit in the garage, a vehicle frame during the inspection, and it holds firm while both hands stay free. For anyone who does their own vehicle maintenance, works in a shop, or just needs a reliable hands-free light source, this is a generally useful feature. So, who is the Wuben G5 for? It's for the person who wants to one compact tool that handles white light, color signal light, emergency beacon, magnetic hands-free use, and long battery life without carrying a dedicated device for each task. It's for hikers, campers, commuters, vehicle owners, first responders, and anyone building a go bag or emergency kit. At 52 grams with a keychain attachment, the barriers to carrying it is essentially zero. Key specs at a glance: 400 lumens max, 82-meter beam distance, 7 RGB colors with beacon and warning modes, 180-degree rotatable head and clip, USB-C 1.5-hour charge, up to a 65 hours runtime. IP65 waterproof, magnetic base, lock mode, aluminum body, 52.3 grams. The Wuben G5 packs a lot of functionality into a very small package, and it does it without cutting obvious corners. That's everything on the Wuben G5. If this kind of compact multifunction gear is your thing, hit subscribe. We cover EDC, outdoor tools, and emergency preparedness gear regularly. Drop any question in the comments below.